Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make origami headphones. What? Oh, these are obviously real headphones, but here's the origami ones. So yeah, isn't that cool? And if you make these out of a big enough square, you can probably wear them. And I think these are really cool. And it could, and this can be like a mouth too. And yeah, you can put them on your head. These are obviously too small, obviously, but yeah, it is a pretty cool model. And I'm going to show you how to fold it. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for these headphones, I used a 14-inch square of kami. And that'll give you some pretty big headphones. And like I said in the intro, if you want to make some headphones that are like a life-size pair of headphones, then use like a really big square, maybe like a 20-inch square or something like that. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to fold it from an ordinary 7-inch square of kami. But you could use a sheet of permanent paper cut square or maybe any size square. So let's begin either side up, and we're going to divide this into thirds. So we're going to fold this up, so this is equal to this. Okay, and then once you've got it, you can fold this part behind, and just fiddle with the folds until they align. This is probably the hardest step of the whole model, I'm going to say. Alright, like this. And you could repeat on the side, but you know what? I'm just going to repeat on the side so it's more exact. You don't have to repeat on the side, but you could if you want. That's what I'm doing. Okay. Now, white side up, and fold to these two crease marks. Okay, and rotate, and fold in half. Okay, and now we're going to divide this into thirds, and we don't need to fiddle with the fold for this. I actually have a shortcut. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge, and we're going to fold it to this edge, and you don't have to make the whole fold, just align the edges, and just make a crease mark here. Alright, and do that in the other direction. So align these two edges, and just make a crease mark here. Alright, and then now make a fold connecting these two crease marks. Like that. Unfold, rotate, and fold to this crease. Isn't that a lot easier than fiddling with folds? Okay, unfold, now turn over, and take this edge and fold it to the crease. Unfold, and repeat on this side. Okay, unfold, now turn back over, and now what we're going to do is we're going to take this mountain fold and fold it onto this crease. This is going to be one of the earphones, by the way. And when we do that, we make a new fold right there. And repeat on this side. Take the mountain fold and fold it to the valley. This is called a pleat fold. Okay, so these two sides is going to be the earphones. Okay, now we're going to turn over, and we're going to narrow this part out. So this is going to be the band. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a few pre-creases first, just to make it easier. So we're going to take this edge and bring it into this crease. Crease sharply. Unfold, and do that 3 more times. Unfold, and now we're going to take this edge, and we're going to fold it in between these 2 points, where these 2 diagonals hit these 2 edges, like this. Okay, and repeat on this side. Okay. Alright. And now we're going to do is we're just going to pretty much round out the earphones. So I'm going to start here. So we're going to take this edge and bring it to that crease. If you have a guide mark there. Or you could do it to taste if you want. It's up to you. And now, you could take this edge and bring it to that edge, but I think it would be better if I take this corner and fold it up to that corner. See? It just makes these two triangles look more symmetrical. But, you know, it doesn't really matter, honestly. Alright, and now just kind of just round it out to taste. I'm just going to just fold that a little bit like that. And repeat on this side. I'm going to fold to that line. And I'm going to fold this to the corner. You know, you can just shape it to taste if you want. We're just rounding the earphone out. Okay. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to mention in the intro, for this model, I actually recommend using a foil paper, because it'll be easier to shape it. But, you know, kami works also. Alright. And now, we're going to just shape them into the headphones now. And like I said, for this step is a lot easier if you use foil paper, because it'll keep its shape a lot better. So you can just round it out to taste like this. And if you do use foil, that'll be really easy. And they should stay into a shape like this. But if you're using kami like I am, you can just make some folds here, and that'll kind of keep this shape. And just make these folds to taste. You can just put however many you want. We're just doing it so that way they stay in this shape, like headphones do. So I'm just making a series of mountain folds around the band. Okay. And there is the headphones. And now if you want to three-dimensionalize the earphones, you can enter here if you want, but if you want to three-dimensionalize them like I did on this model, then here's how to do that. So this isn't that hard. We're just going to make a pleat fold. So we're going to just make a little mountain fold here to taste. Just, you know, about like that. And then make a valley fold right above it, like this. We're just making a little pleat fold. See? And that'll three-dimensionalize the earphone. Okay? And that's all to taste. And now to lock it, fold this flap over like this, right on that corner. Okay, and this can be kind of challenging if you're using small paper, but if you're using like big paper, then it shouldn't be that hard. Okay, and that looks kind of ugly because of this paper sticking up, so I'm just gonna just fold this down, just like that. Okay, see, and that makes it look better. I don't really like how it's not completely round, but it's fine. Headphones are headphones. Okay, and repeat on this side. So make that pleat to taste, like this, and now fold this corner over to lock it, and then fold this down like this just to make it look a little bit better. Okay, like that. And once you did that, there is your DIY headphones done. And now you can't actually listen to music on them, obviously, because these are not real. But I think they're really cool. At least you can wear them if you use a big enough square. And yeah, I don't really know what else to say. And you know, it can also be a mouth too. I showed that in the intro. See, a chomping mouth. Or it can be a grabber, like a claw. You can just use them to grab things. Let's see, what do I have here? You can use them to pick up stuff like a water bomb. Oh yeah. Oh look, it's a water bomb wearing headphones. Oh, this is the perfect size for this origami water bomb. This is from a 6-inch square, and this is from a 7-inch square. So yeah. So my water bomb is listening to music. Okay. Well, enough with that. Hope you guys were able to make these and find them interesting, and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.